Hello, my name is Carolina Herrera. I'm from Sunshine and Stay Academy, and today we are going to be mixing colors to do a picture. So the materials that I'm going to be using, I am going to be using marbles. I am going to be using either color paper, construction paper, whatever you want to use. We're going to be using different kinds of paints. Depends the picture what you want to use. If you want to use light colors, if you want to use darker colors, you can mix any type of paint. That's one of the ways that I told my own children how to mix colors and what color, new color they're going to have. So that's a very fun way for them to do it, and at the same time they're using marble, something very unique for them, instead of using their fingers or they're using paintbrush. You will need a box. I have this box. You can have also a shoe box you can use. You can use also a tray, whatever is that you want to use, whatever is easier for you to use, it's up to you. So we are going to be using this box. And then you're going to place whatever color construction paper. I have used any type of color paper. I have used black, and then I use bright colors. But in this case, I'm going to be using white, and I'm going to be using not that dark colors, because you can use black, you can use brown, purple, or any color. But I am going to be using more light colors this time. So we're going to put paint, and you're not going to put a lot. We're only going to put a little bit of paint. And if you want to like put in one spot the colors, or you can actually use it around. It depends the kind of you want to use. Okay, so I just put a little bit. If you want to, like I said, make it around, depends what kind of picture you want, or you want what kind of color you want to be more out. I'm going to be using orange. Then I'm going to put it here. Like I said, if you can do only two colors and see what kind of color comes out using two different colors, you can do that. But I use these colors. I'm gonna put it here and see. And like I said, you can use different colors. I'm gonna put some of the marbles inside. And in this time, you can do it different movement. You can round, you can do it side by side. So as you can see, it comes like beautiful pictures. Like I said, let the kids have fun with it and see what kind of pictures they're gonna have. So you can see they're mixing those colors together, and I only put a few colors. You can do two, you can use three, and see. Let them like move it around. And it's safe because they're not gonna get dirty. It's not going to come out of the box. That's why I like to use the box. And as you can see how the colors come together. Like I said, you can do circle ones, and you have like a maybe like a box that is circle, and then that will be a different shape of colors. Okay. So then after that, what I'm going to do is I am going to take the marbles out, have it in a safe container, and I am going to take the picture out, and this is what the result is going to be. I hope you guys had a lot of fun as I did.